how to turn off standby mode in iPhone. So we all know standby mode is actually a new feature from iPhone, right? Where whenever you don't use your phone and you put it on horizontal, there's a clock there that will actually come out, or another feature. So let's say you don't want that to happen and you want to turn that off. So what you're gonna do is to go here directly to your settings. Now here on your settings area, it will look like this. All you have to do next is to scroll down up until you see standby here. You will see a new feature there, or the new option called standby. It's actually under wallpaper and above Siri and search. Click on standby there. And as you can see, you have set it, or I have set it to, I have turned it on. So tap on that to toggle that off. And basically you have now successfully turned off standby mode in iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.